Vortex VX7 and VX9 models include a built-in Z Lynk wireless transmitter, allowing Vortex to operate with MS3 Z Lynk wireless headphones or with any other headphones that are connected to a Z Lynk receiver. The current status of your wireless connection is shown on the Vortex LCD by this wireless headphone icon. If it is flashing, the detector is looking for a receiver. If the icon is solid, the detector is paired with an operating Z Lynk receiver that is within range. Absence of this icon indicates that Vortex's wireless transmitter is switched off. To pair with a new set of headphones or Z Lynk receiver, start by first switching on the headphones or receiver. Hold them within 2 feet or a half meter of the Vortex. Next, power on the Vortex, press the menu button, and continue tapping the menu button until the wireless icon is highlighted. Press the plus button to pair the headphones. Once paired, if the headphones or receivers are switched off or moved out of range, Vortex will search and attempt to reconnect for 5 minutes, indicated by a flashing icon. If the connection is not reestablished during this time, Vortex will switch off its wireless transmitter. To reconnect, simply switch Vortex off and then on again. To maintain solid connection between your Vortex detector and the Z Lynk receiver, wear your headset with the solid red light facing the detector. To unpair or forget a set of headphones, simply press the menu button, select the wireless icon, and press the minus button to unpair.